Okay, so I guarantee that you would not want to order chicken from outside after you have given this recipe a try, which takes roughly about 20 minutes and is juicy on the inside and so crispy on the outside. Chicken breast is usually the driest part of the chicken, but also the highest in the protein. So marinating your chicken for at least 15 to 20 minutes is the key here. The marination mix is helping the chicken become more succulent, absorb all the flavor, and it turns out moist with a drizzle of olive oil. Do give this recipe a try. If you enjoy eating chicken breast for its high protein content, then this could be a great meal option for you. Do give it a try.